18 months ago, Dee and her husband did something incredibly brave.
Shall we go? Are we ready?
They left North Carolina, where they'd raised their family and put down deep roots, and moved cross-country to Ojai, a small town in Southern California. Then Dee set to work making friends and creating a community. But how do you start over when you're 67 years old and you don't know a soul?
Yeah, it was scary. It was scary. And so I immediately started looking for ways to get to know people. And the best way to do that is to volunteer.
It didn't take her long to find something that combines the two things she likes best: children.
Okay, wow, there's a lot of you guys.
And rich, dark soil.
So yeah, you and Vivi can do over here. This looks good. And what do we got back here? You still got water?
Dee is helping introduce 4th and 5th graders to the joy of growing things.
Put her down here. There we go. Whew. Oh my God! I see some down here. Look at these guys. They are unformed. Beautiful. You can eat it when we get there. No, we're going to chop it up. We're going to chop it up for lunch. Hey, should we steal a few grapes while we're here?
Yeah, I know.
Wild strawberries. Ooh, beautiful. Tremendous potential with students at that age to make them aware of where their food comes from, what food is good to eat, and why. We're good. Okay, good. Wow. My cup runneth over. We got a little bit of grapes just to have some variety. The older ones are really interested in creating meals from the garden. So they create salads, they create foods from the garden.
Over here, okay? And make sure if your hands are dirty, wash your
You gotta line up, okay? Fair is
Where
fair.
do we line up?
You see,
Right here,
there's a line.
right here. The youngest ones just want to get their hands dirty. You want to look for bugs somewhere, is that what you really want to do? And they want to go hunting bugs and lizards. Okay. Oh, look at that bug! Look at that! What is that? It's a little like round thing. Look at the bugs all in my hand! And we're delighted for them to be in the garden hunting bugs and lizards, because you can't have a garden without bugs and lizards. So we teach them that it's all part of the production of the soil. Yeah. Get it down there.
Okay.
Class is 2 hours long, non-stop, and Dee loves every minute.
Oh, it's time to eat. You get to eat the stuff that we just harvested. Whoa! It's exhausting to work with children, and it's life-affirming to work with children. They energize me. You guys got to go back to class.
Yeah, it's time to line up.
Hate to see you go. See you next week, all right?
By the time they're gone, she's wiped out. But that doesn't stop her from volunteering to glean at the local farmers market. So what is gleaning exactly? Dee and her team show up just as the market's closing for the day.
If you could leave one of yours and write Timber Canyon.
They hand out empty boxes to the local farmers, who fill them up with whatever they haven't sold.
Thank you, Matt.
Dee then weighs everything and gives them a tax rebate for their donation. The produce gets picked up and brought directly to food banks.
Food is very important to me. Whole food, healthy food, but not unless everybody has access to it.
Thank you.
So, was it worth giving up everything to move to Ojai? The town does have a great bookstore.
There he is. My husband's a book addict. When I'm looking for him, I know I can find him here.
And a trolley.
If I'm getting my bike repaired at the shop, I leave it there, I wait for the trolley to take me home. It's unbelievable.
And some quirky little stores.
Okay, and then across here is Greater Goods.
But most of all,
Hey,
it has people who care about the world around them.
thanks for being here. I think many people long for community, but it doesn't happen overnight, and it doesn't happen because somebody else makes it happen. If you want community, you have to be part of the change. I would say these greens look like they need a little bit.
Dee has found her place in the community. And Ojai is better off because she's here.
Got it.